Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily hide your number on iPhone 17. So first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna enter the settings. And right here in the settings, we need to scroll all the way down until we see the apps. So it's right at the bottom. As you guys can see, we have the apps. Now we need to go over to the phone app. So let's just scroll. And here we have the letter P. So now let's click on the phone. And here in the phone, we want to scroll down until we see calls. Now here in the calls, right at the bottom, we have the show my caller ID. And as you guys can see, for me, it's already disabled. So they don't see my caller ID, but it's enabled by default. So I recommend you guys disabling it. And as you guys can see, now it's all done. We have enabled the caller ID block and we successfully hid our number. So that's how you guys can do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.